Good morning, everybody. It's Friday, baby. We're here. We're back after quite possibly the craziest intraday bounce that SPY has ever had. Pretty crazy. I don't know if it's the craziest, but pretty wild bounce yesterday. CPI came out a little worse than expected. Everybody's like, okay, this is the end. Made a couple poor lows under 350 and squeezed all day long. There's 370.
NCLH.
Yeah, why wouldn't something get a positive reaction off this? Some of the stocks that are actually up right now.
AAL. LAZR. WEBL.
Come on. Where's the volume at?
DRN.
There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, baby. Yes, sir.
AMC.
Taking 1,000. Oh, man. Come on. Don't do that.
CHPT.
Oh, they're attacking it. Come on, Bulls. Come on, Bulls. Come on, Bulls.
GOTU.
24K bidder here. I like that. Don't want to see him get eaten, though. If he starts getting hit, I'm out. 20K ask as well. So a couple big bids, couple big asks. See who wins. See who wins. Come on. This is definitely helping. Seeing this. Just bringing buyer confidence in.
TARC.
This is already up, already in play.
DM.
It's got clear range, good volume. Doesn't mean it's going to go,
PRTS.
but it's going to give it a good shot. 371 over here.
NKLA. LABU. Eno. SEN.
It's struggling a little bit.
SLY. PTON.
Come on.
QBO. Sophie.
Yeah, my current play is off of this 25K guy. Not off of any chart, not off of anything else. I'm playing off of him. 25K guy here, 25K guy here.
UEC.
Does that mean they're trying to distribute? I don't know. We'll see. But you want to see this up through 312, and I think it will take off right here.
ILAG.
25 on the ask. Another 10K bidder. 24. If you see a big chunk out of them, it'll be really nice. 25-2 still. Like down to 16 or 15. People will take him. Still 25, 24. Oh, somebody swiped it all in one piece. Okay. Well, let's go then.
AVYA.
The mid gap will be like what, 450, 425?
HIBS.
Yeah, that hasn't worked in a long time, but it works like when there's momentum. Okay, I'm taking another 1,000 off. It's kind of looking a little toppy. Got 1,100 shares left. Yeah, I haven't been able to do what I do in a while. All right, see the bid side's way more stacked than the ask side. 320 is the only thing with anything. 17K, 18K. You got this 23 guy here. You got 8, you got 8. And of course, bids and asks can be pulled and level 2 can be manipulated. Sure, but when you have a momentum play on the positive end, let's make sure it doesn't have an offering here. No. All right, should be go time.
NIL.
Should be go time right here.
Maybe.
Maybe that was the hesitancy, was a potential
Yeah,
offering
that's it.
maybe right now. I doubt that would even happen, but really don't want to see this go under 310 now. If it does, I'll probably get out and just reposition later. See, the ask is starting to stack. 25 up here now. You got 10 here, you got 8 here. Still decent bids through here, though. See if they start getting chipped away. And this is normally like if you got really solid positive momentum on stocks. This is where you would start adding back in as close to your bidders as possible because your risk is minimal. And you just sell on them if you have to. But I don't trust it enough. Yeah, I don't want to core up. Just going to keep my 1,000 from 304 and see what happens. Okay, 10K. There we go. See, that's the positive reaction you want to see, even in continuation market that's hot. You come down to near the bids, and that's where you can reload. Play around a core. Scale on the pushes, reload on the supports. It's kind of flagging here. Maybe next 1 minute, or this 1 minute, could go through high of day. Not saying it will, and like as always, and I haven't traded in a while, so I haven't said it in a while. Don't blindly follow me. All right, here's high of day test on this 1 minute candle, as expected. This one or the next, at least. 320 broke. Refresh though. Okay, through 320. 325's got a pretty big ask here. I'm gonna take 500 off. Feels good. Feels good to see this. This is what I want to do every day with you guys, but it just hasn't been possible. Okay, we're stacked up a little here, but look at this pot. We're starting to break loose now up through here on the chart. 325 should be easy. I'm still playing somewhat conservative. I didn't re-add, and I'm you know, cutting my position pretty quickly within, you know, reason. But we're up to 329, 330, 330 now. 350 will probably be next res. We are into this gap. The halfway point, I don't know. 4, maybe. But we're looking good. This is how continuation, volume follow-through trades are supposed to act. You're not supposed to drop 50 cents and hammer and trap and trade sideways. Just none of that. Just follow through what's going to follow through. What's breaking down, break down. I got 500 left. Oh, you're in too? Nice, Britta. It's got clear volume. It's got clear range. I would say roughly 450 was midpoint. You swiped the ass. Oh, yeah, okay. I remember I said somebody swiped it. All right, so potentially could get a retest of 320 here. That was your previous high of day. That was the breakout level. It can go 319, 318, but that would be the retest. Momentum looking very good so far, though. See these bids in here? 12, 20. Should be new high of day right here.
FCEL.
Okay, bidder came up. Now, when you see a move like this in pre-market, sometimes I call it blowing its load in pre-market. That's kind of what it looks like it's doing right now. All right, as we're slowing down here. Oh, we're pushing through. I've got 300 left.
Doug.
215K bidders now. Nice support.
GOGL. SLRX BLDP.
It should blow off to 350.
JFU.
FOMO plus squeeze. Yeah, already a big move. Okay, we're slowing down. If I see these guys start getting hit, I'm going to scale way down. I may get it completely out. Yeah, I'm getting out right here. Could go higher.